Hello friends, welcome back to Sketchware tutorials. In this video, I am gonna show you how to use spinner. So for that, I am gonna drag a linear horizontal and add a spinner. Then I am gonna grab a text view. Okay, fine. And on activity create, I am gonna create a list, a string list called oops, called string. Then I'm gonna add a few items at position 0, 1, 2 and so on. And finally 4 to string. Then I'm gonna keep this 0 position 0 to be blank, and I'm gonna add Google to first, Yahoo, Facebook, and finally Wikipedia. Then from view, get spinner set data. Then use the string and then refresh the data. Fine. And one from view, get this event spinner on item structure. Okay, now we have the position of the spinner as 1, 2, 3, 4 and all. And if position equals 1, then I will set text view data and text view text to Google. Now I'm gonna copy this to, then again 3, finally 4. Now let me check the order: Google, Yahoo, Facebook, Wikipedia. Okay, Yahoo, Facebook, now I'm gonna run the project. Then install it. In here, if I search Google, the text will become Google, Yahoo, and Facebook, and so on. This is how to use a spinner in Sketchware. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.